Hello and welcome to Aston's Vintage Technology Workshop. On the bench today we have a Roberts R881. This little multi-band digital tuning radio just appears to be silent when turned on. Radiocruncher had a similar experience with one of these as well. I've included links to his videos down below. Please have a look at his videos. They are very good and there's a lot of information there. I suspect the power has been applied to this radio in reverse, as it is a negative center pin connector. There's a short somewhere, so let's start by testing Q17. So if we look at the circuit diagram, there's a short between 2 points, the base and emitter of Q17. The diode isn't actually on the circuit diagram and looks like it was an afterthought, the idea being to short out the power supply with the wrong polarity. This obviously didn't work, as the diode is completely blown open, allowing the next component in line to receive the full negative voltage. Here's a close-up of the circuit board near the power socket. You can see Q17 and the extra diode Roberts fitted. This diode is blown open circuit. This transistor is a 2SB815. So back to the circuit diagram. The diode is blown open and Q17 is now shorted between base and emitter, and the collector, luckily, is open circuit to both. This is fortunate, as if the transistor had shorted completely, a lot more damage would have happened throughout the radio. I didn't have any SOT23 PNP transistors to hand, and a quick look at the technical document for the 2SB815 shows it to just be a standard switching transistor, so I grabbed a BC212, which is a perfect replacement. Instead of placing the diode in the same place that Roberts put theirs, I decided to put a Schottky diode in series with the power supply, so that an incorrect polarity power supply wouldn't be damaged by being shorted out and would just be ignored. This will also stop the radio from being damaged in the future, and there's plenty of room for it to fit under the case. But we're not finished yet. I noticed that the speaker was very crunchy. On closer inspection, the coil was rubbing against the magnets. Not having a speaker of the right size, I thought I'd whip the magnet off and see if I could clean it up. The easiest way to do this is using gaffer's tape to get rid of all the magnet and metal crumbs. A quick reassembly and gluing the magnet back in place results in a perfectly working decent speaker. Now to put it all back together again, and a quick test.
A4, the southbound side. We've got a lane shut at the Botley interchange. That's the A420. It's for emergency repairs. This has been shut all morning, this lane. We've got 3 miles of...
Thanks for watching.